welcome back to my channel, Daily Slay with me. Of course, I'm going to be showing y'all how I revived this wig. I already have a video on it. Go ahead and check it out. It will be in the description box. But that's before I knew how to really customize a wig and do the most with it and all of that. So this is what it currently looks like. It comes with 3 combs, 2 in the front, 1 in the back, 2 bra straps in the back. I got this here from Aliexpress. I definitely recommend getting it as well. It's really affordable and it's definitely worth it. This is what it looks like currently. Like, I literally had it laid down somewhere, not even wearing it or nothing. I'm like, let me get this wig together because it's a mess. So yeah, that's what it looks like. So I'm gonna start with the middle part. I love starting with middle parts with my wigs because it just makes my life easier and it makes the time go by faster to me when I'm customizing it. So I'm using water per usual. I always put water so whenever I start plucking hair, it helps me to pluck more hair and it's not as messy. And again, I'm gonna start with the first row. I did pluck some hair when I first got this wig, but not, you know, really good because I didn't really know how to pluck hair or customize it or anything. So it is plucked a little bit, but I'm still gonna go in and pluck some more. It's looking a little bald, I know, but trust me, it makes a difference with this wig. Okay, you'll see in a couple minutes. This is the amount of hair that I plucked from just the front of both sides of the wig, like, and I plucked it when I just got this wig, so it's not too much plucking. I promise y'all, like, y'all could go crazy with plucking, just don't pluck the same area too much. But now I'm gonna start customizing the wig, get the curls back together. That's what it looks like when the curls are like combed out and it's not wet or anything. This coconut curling cream, I use this in my natural hair as well as the curly wigs that I have whenever I want, you know, like a curl pattern or something in the hair. I literally just rub it in there, don't do too much, it's not that serious. I see a lot of people use diffusers and stuff like that. Maybe that will help your curls be more bouncy, but I'm lazy if you haven't noticed, so I'm just like plastering it all over and let it air dry. By the time I'm done, it's gonna be dry how I want it. But yeah, this is what it looks like. I'm going to use my brush to brush it out, make sure the product gets in the entire wig and not just some parts because I know I just dabbed it in there. But yeah, you guys. far as foundation, I use a Fenty Beauty foundation, and I'll let y'all know what the number is in the description box. But I do not know how to tint no lace and do all that stuff that other people be doing. Maybe one day I'll learn how, but I'm too lazy and I don't feel like I feel like I'm gonna mess up the hair. So I stick with the basics foundation. That helps me. Using this bed head hard head holding spray, you guys, it is so much better than got to be glue, freezing spray, all the damn got to be stuff. Like, I like using this. It dries by literally fanning it with your hand. You don't gotta use no blow dryer, do the most. It holds my hair down for the like entire day if I'm not sweating. At least I never tried it sweating, but it really works, and you guys will see how it holds my hair down. And you could hold it down with your hand or use a comb to kind of like I'm doing right now, to kind of like push it down on your head a little bit and let it dry faster. But again, it really doesn't take much to dry.
And
I'm so dead, y'all. I don't know what is going on with that corner. I think I messed that up when I first got this wig. Like, underneath you can see my hair. Like, girl, I don't even know what happened with that part of the wig, but I'm still gonna rock it. I'm not gonna throw it out. I'm still gonna keep it pushing, but you guys don't mind that. Don't, just learn from my mistakes, y'all.